Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Hail Dempo Sports Club, the new kings of Indian football. Blues win record 5th I-League championship. Dempo East Bengal play out nil-nil draw at Fatorda. Cabinet accepts Shah Commission's report on Bali violence. Action on former district collector and 2 senior police officials for negligence possible. Government decides to frame rules under RTE Act. New rules by 30th of May. Congress takes decision to contest Kortali by-election. GPCC meet held for the first time after defeat in assembly election. GPCC says that they would not repeat their mistakes. Four people from Naveli, Chikali, Nashnola and Davarli sit inside Directorate of Panchayat till late evening, demand corrections of reservation in Panchayats, refuse to return till director meets them. Sports Minister Ramesh Tavadkar gives all SAG coaches a stern wake-up call. Work hard and you will be rewarded. Underperform and you will be dealt with, says Tavadkar. And Goa does not have official host city contract for Lusophonia Games 2013. However, absence of contract not a very serious problem, says SAG Executive Director Elvis Gomes. Now the news in detail. Dempo Sports Club are the new kings of Indian football. The Blues needed only a draw from their match against East Bengal to win the title. Both teams played their hearts out and Dempo managed to hold on to a draw to gain the much needed 1 point that gives them an unassailable lead at the top of the I-League table. This is the Goan Giants' 5th I-League title in a span of 8 years.
Before coming into Friday's crucial match, Dempo had played 24 matches, winning 17 out of them. Dempo drew 2 while lost 5 matches for the total points tally of 53. Nigerian goal machine Randy Martins has been in terrific form in back-to-back seasons and is set to emerge the Golden Boot winner yet again. Tempers flied high on Friday's match, but the finishing was poor by both ends of strikers. However, the match was end-to-end stuff, but in the end, a draw was enough for Dempo to be new champions.
Awful mistake at the back for Dempo there. Crescent Antao made a full meal of it. And lovely ball from Orji. Tall guy Osbe. Can he make it count? Tackle coming in. Appeals for a penalty. What a gilt-edged opportunity this was. Rovilson it was flying in with the tackle on Tall guy Osbe. Ranty Martins. And it's off the cross. Lovely dipping free kick from Ranty Martins. Shundeep no. Just take a look at that once again. Lovely pass from Ranty Martins. One touch too many from Romeo. Maybe he could have tried to hit it from the outside of Era. Climax Lawrence. Ranty Martins. Will he shoot Ranty Martins? He will, but he... All eyes on Vishnu Chauhan, the referee from Gujarat, who blows the whistle, signals an end to proceedings. And the bubbly will be popped in Goa. It's time for that lot there in the Isles to celebrate because Dempo have lifted the I-League crown for the 3rd time. Armando Colasso will surely be hoisted high. Gets the congratulations from his counterpart, Trevor Morgan, that he would have liked. They didn't manage to get themselves on the score sheet, but they did keep Kingfisher.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Cabinet has accepted the Shah Commission's report on the Bali violence. The Commission has recommended action on the then District Collector and 2 senior police officials for negligence and failing to take preventive action. The government has also scrapped the earlier government's decision of reverting the acquired land at Kandoli to family member of the former MLA Agnel Fernandez. Government has also decided to frame rules under Right to Education Act and enforce it by 30th of May.
Parrikar government had its 4th cabinet meet on Friday. The Shah Commission's report in the Bali agitation episode was placed before the cabinet. The commission in its report has indicted the then South Goa District Collector G.P. Naik, Superintendent of Police Tony Fernandez and Police Inspector Tushar Vernekar. The Commission has recommended disciplinary action against these erring officers. The Commission has also noted that there was no strong evidence to pinpoint the accused involved in burning of Anchal and Adarsh Kaju factory.
Blame on Collector South and SP South, who has failed to mobilize police force and maintain proper control over the crowd in spite of having knowledge about it. So that aspect has been, so disciplinary proceeding will start against those officers. Tatlo actor retired zala, so there will be, you have to move the file to governor for action.
In the year 1993, government had acquired the land at Kandoli for parking and toilet for public purpose. This land belonged to a relative of the former MLA from Kalangut, Agnello Fernandes. The earlier government had reverted this land back to the owner. Parrikar government on Friday decided to scrap this decision of reverting the land back to the landowner. The issue was disputed before the court.
कानोळे गेल्या सरकारान एक भ्रष्टाचाराचो हें आशिल्लो तो उदाहरण तें जमीन काडून परती रिटर्न केल्ली आमदाराक खंयच्या की तिच्या कोणाच्या घरच्यांक ते मॅटर कोर्टान गेल्लो. दीस गव्हर्मेंट हॅज डिसायडेड टू विथड्रॉ दॅट एंड कॅन्सल द land allotted back. 14,086 square meter land was acquired in 1982 for car park. Another 3,575 was acquired in 93.
The government will review the sports mark specified under sports policy. Chief Minister said the rules under Right to Education Act will be framed soon and the act will be in force by 30th of May.
Even the sports mark, though I don't agree with the earlier year, this year I have not tinkered with it because I can't take a decision in hurry. हांवें चेंज करतलो म्हणून सांगून ना, हांवें फक्त ताजेर रिव्यू करतलो आनी डिसिजन घेतलो, बट दॅट वील बी फॉर नेक्स्ट इयर, नॉट फॉर दीस इयर. RT is implemented, rules are not framed. My target is by 30th May, RTA, everything in Goa should be on road. Directorate of Education has to be in a good shape. Today it is suffering from diabetes, hypertension. कितें जाला त्या डिपार्टमेंटान हांव नको. There are no proper staff, there is no proper promotion, timely actions have not taken place, including Goa board, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, everything has to be, give me 6 months, you will see everything move in the right direction.
The state Lok Ayukta bill has got the consent of 3 ministers at the centre. The bill is currently with the Union Law Ministry. Parrikar said government expects presidential assent to the bill by 30th April.
So I am expecting in next maybe couple of days he should sign and send it to President for assent. But the way we are following it out, I feel that by 30th assent should be clear.
Our reporter Laukik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
Congress has taken decision to contest Kortali by-election. GPCC held its meeting for the first time on Friday after the defeat in the assembly election. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar said that they would not repeat their mistakes. Congress party workers feel that medium of instruction, corruption, illegal mining and family raj are the reasons behind the defeat.
Kortani elections, जेन्ना जात न्ही बाय इलेक्शन्स तेन्ना काँग्रेस पार्टी ती कॉन्टेस्ट करपा संबंधी थारायल्लें आसा. त्या संबंधी आदी आमचे ऑफिस बेयर्स तांची सुचोवणी येयल्ली आसा की आमी ते कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक जाय अशें म्हणून, आनी ही तेंची मागणी किंवा सूचना जी आसा ही हायकमांडाक पयली वतली. आनी त्याच संबंधी सगळें प्रिपरेशन जें आसा पळय न्ही, तयारी जी आसा ती तयारी करपा संबंधी काँग्रेसचे सगळे ऑफिस बेयर्स आनी काँग्रेस ऑफिस हे कामाक लागले.
आमचे वर्कर्स म्हणटात ते डिस्ट्रिब्युशन करता आसतना फॅमिली दिलें सारकें दिवंक ना. दुसरो तांणी पॉयंट हाडलो की जेन्ना इतले जॉब्स जाले ते जॉब्स BJPक तरी मेळ्ळे पूण आमचे काँग्रेसाक थोडे कडेन मेळूंक ना, हे आमचे वर्कर्स. आनी बायलां सगळ्याक लोक म्हणटा ते की पयशे घेवन जॉब दिले अशें लोक बायलांक म्हणटाले की आमचे वर्कर म्हणटाय.
आनी काही सजेशन्स तांचे कडेन आयली की ज्यो काही चुको फाटल्या इलेक्शनाच्या वेळार जाल्यो आयदर पार्टी ऑर सरकार, त्यो चुको निस्तारच्यो आनी हाचे मुखार ते जावचे न्ही ह्या संबंधी आमी काळजी घेवची, स्ट्रॅटेजी ड्राफ्ट करची, ह्या संबंधी सजेशन्स आमच्या काँग्रेसच्या कार्यकर्त्यां कडल्यान आयले.
भ्रष्टाचाराचो मुद्दो किंवा हवा झाली त्याका लागून काँग्रेस हरली आता अशें तुमी म्हटलें.
हाय म्हणूंक ना आमची वर्कर म्हणटाय.
कित्याक लागून म्हणटात भ्रष्टाचार खरोच जाल्लो काय बेश्टीच हवा जाली?
सी थोडो आसतलो कितें उज नासलो दवरना न्ही.
काँग्रेस आयडियोलॉजीत बिलीव करपी जे कॅन्डिडेट्स वेगवेगळ्या पंचायतींत कॉन्टेस्ट करतले तांकां सपोर्ट करपा संबंधी आमचे ऑफिस बेयर्स तांकां आमी सुचोवणी केल्ली आसा.
Our reporter Lokik Shilkar with senior video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
4 people from Navili, Chikali, Nashnola and Davarli sat inside Directorate of Panchayat till late evening on Friday. They refused to return till the director meets them. They were demanding corrections of reservations in panchayats.
The reservations for ward panchayats for the forthcoming elections seems creating a wave of resentment among the people. These people from Nashnola, Davarli, Navili and Chikali were in the Panchayat Directorate office from 5 in the evening till 9:30 in the night demanding corrections of their wards.
आमचो वार्ड जो OBC ST जो केल्लो आसा तो तेंच्यांनी एक तरी OBC करपाचो नाल्यार जनरल दवरपाचो आनी तुमकां जर करपाकूच जाय जाल्यार 4 वार्ड आमचे जे ST आसा मेजॉरिटी त्या हितून STचो तेंच्यांनी घालपाक जाता हो आमचो मेन मुद्दो जो आसा आनी आयज आमी हांगा जे रावल्यात ते डायरेक्टराक लागून रावल्ले आसा डायरेक्टर मेळटलो आनी आमकां कितें तरी आन्सर मेळटलें म्हणून पयरूच आमकां समजलें की काल पयर सुद्दां तेंच्यांनी अनेक वार्ड जे आसा ते अशे प्रॉब्लेम जाला ते तेंच्यांनी करेक्शन केल्ले आसा आनी आमकां अजून आन्सर मेळूना.
म्हज्या जे वॉर्डान चड बायलां ना हे OBC ना त्या वॉर्डान OBC घाल्या आनी ज्या वॉर्डान OBC चड आसा त्या वॉर्डान ताणें कांय करूं ना OBC म्हणून दिवं ना आनी हांव OBCन पडना सो म्हजेर खूब व्हडलो अन्याय जाल्लो आसा आनी हांव हांगाच्यान कशेंच हालपाचें ना. हांव 3 दीस जाले हांगा येवन वता प्रत्येक हांव BDO कडेन वच म्हणटा म्हाका BDO म्हणटा तांचे कडेन आमचे कडेन बरयल्ले आसतात सगळे हे तुमकां हांगा कित्याक धाडटा तर हांव प्रत्येक वेळार पंचायत डायरेक्टर मेळना BDO मेळना तर आमी कितें करपाचें मॅरी गो रावंड करीत आसा आमची पिशेपणाची हे.
The director later met the waiting people and assured them that he will issue a corrigendum in those cases which are genuine. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.